Student, today we are going to learn about that how we can convert the image into the symbol. Means symbol means that can be used the reusable. Reusable means once we draw the images, it can be used the again and again in the any images. For example, that first of all we have to draw the image. We are going to click on here these tools. This is the polystar tools, and by the help of polystar tools I am going to draw the shape over here. Okay, see, and here we are going to change this shape into the symbol. How to convert the into the symbol? Suppose this, if you want to change this color, then we can change the color from here by the help of this selection tools, and shortcut key is that, okay, Control F3 to properties panels. Okay, I am going to change here this tools is here, okay, white color. If you want to change this color again, then not in white is enough. For that we have to change this colors. Okay, now see here, this symbol has been changed, and now we are going to convert this symbol into the symbol. Means that here we are going to convert this image into the symbol. Before that we have to click on the this menu called the modify. Okay, now see here, this here converting symbol is the unhighlighted. Means that first of all we have to select this image. Okay, by the help of this selection tool we are going to select this image. After selecting, click on the modify option, and see here the convert into the symbol option is highlighted, and we click over here. When we click over, okay, and type this graphics, we know that we have draw that graphics, and name this the, okay, graphics G1. Okay, and giving the name is G1. Okay, and just click on the OK button. Okay, now here I am going to delete this object. When I this going to delete it, okay, click here selection tool, okay, and press from enter. Okay, now see this part has been deleted now. Okay, now we have deleted this drawn image. Now if you want to put that image again, then we have to go into the library, because we have convert that image into the symbol, and that symbol are stored in the library. For that we have to open the properties. Okay, now see here, this property has been opened, and in the property we have to click on the library. See here, we have already saved this item, and this name is already this. Okay, see here, okay, see over there. We can see here. Okay, Control F3. Now see in the library option this image, and if you want to put this reuse again, then we have to double click or either drag and drop it. Okay, see here, this image has been come, and this image is already converted into the symbol. If you delete from this stage, that symbol is already stored in the library. Okay, now we have understood that how to convert the any image into the symbol. Without converting the symbol, we cannot use in the animation. Okay, student, in the next video